my dear young friends, Sai Ram. Today I shall take you to the spoken form of the language. Today we shall start the topic of dialogue writing. Here dialogue is both for spoken form as well as the written form whenever you are asked to write the dialogues. Otherwise, the whole life is full of dialogues. If you speak to yourself, then it is a monologue, and if you talk to others, that becomes a dialogue. So, there are certain things that you have to take care of while writing the dialogue and while delivering the dialogue. Okay, this is the topic. See here, let us talk. I have given you the title, let us talk. Though we have to say let us write, when that spoken form of dialogues is to be written, so both has to be taken care of. So, dialogue writing practice, and I shall be meeting you in 2 sessions, only on the topic of dialogue writing and dialogue delivery. Here we are all aware that language is used to perform different functions. In oral and written forms, like asking for information, apologizing, saying sorry, greeting, and so on. Note that to write a dialogue, we must first try to find out the relationship between the speakers, because that is very important. And whom are you speaking? So, that plays a very important role. So, you should know the relationship between the speakers. We must also be aware of the context of the dialogue, which is important to generate the appropriate dialogue. So, that is very important. That depends upon the person with whom you are speaking. And here dialogue should include formal and informal expressions. Formal, informal. And here we use formal language when we meet someone in authority, someone that is in business, business associates, and strangers, and the people in official positions. There we have to be formal. You have to follow certain etiquettes. But informal language is used when we meet close friends. Hey, come, don't worry, come. And this one, and relatives and members of the family. So, there is a difference. So, use formal and informal. And informal, we use the words this way and that way. We take the liberty with the language as well as with the person. A dialogue begins with a greeting and ends with leave taking. So, I have given certain specific things, how to do that. So, some common expressions for greeting. I have made it two. One is formal and another is informal. For example, good morning, how are you? Whenever you are talking with your superior or with a guest or with a business magnate. So, there good morning, how are you? Good afternoon and good evening. Like that you have to do that. But in informal, when you are talking with your friends and relatives and family members, hello, haven't seen you for a long time. You can't use that with these people. And hey there, hey everybody, hey, Hi. This is informal. So, you have to differentiate between the situations when you are talking with the official people and when you are talking with your family friends and family members. And I say this is a simple sample here. Simple sample. What is that? Dialogue between Madan and Mohan. So, when you just deliver orally, you have to have the proper sound. For example, here Madan, good morning Mr. Mohan, how are you? He then, I am fine, thank you. That is a must. How are you doing? Mr. Madan, I am fine, thank you. We are happy to have you as our neighbor. Do come home sometime. Do come home means barri ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಕಡೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ. So in that way, that tone. And sure, I will. See you soon. Bye. Bye bye. In this way, so the dialogue goes on. And here expressions to be used. And this is what you have to supply. It is not a homework. It is only how you have to start. That is why, and don't give me, send that, it is not an assignment, it is only that you can do later. Other things you can add whenever you are writing actual dialogues, speaking, delivering the dialogues. How to start? Excuse me, I hope you don't mind. I hope don't mind if me asking, but. Excuse me asking, but. Sorry to trouble you, I beg your pardon. In this way, many ways of doing that. Do excuse me, terribly hot, terribly windy, terribly cold, isn't it? Would you mind? Hi, great party, great music, isn't it? Forgive me for asking, but here in this way you can have your dialogue in greeting and in taking leave. Let us learn how to make and respond to requests, how to make requests and how to respond to them, formal and informal. Informal, you have got, do you think it would be possible? Very polite way of asking. Then could you possibly do that this way? That is how. Then we would be grateful if we would be grateful if you are going to help us. Hope you don't mind me asking this typical question like that, and I am sorry to trouble you. In that way you can have what? Requests. And in informal, you couldn't, could you? So you couldn't do that. I couldn't. You couldn't mind, could you? Can you please? Can you please? Will you do me a favor? That you not use with the officials. You have got. Have you? Will you? Would you? Could you? Please? And then mind doing? You see, we can't just talk like that with the strangers and officials. And here again one more example is given. A dialogue between Kamath and the general manager. And Ravi goes to general manager Mr. Kamath with a request for 10 days leave. So Ravi and Kamath, general manager. Ravi, good morning sir. You can't say hello, good morning. You can't. So Kamath, good morning Ravi. What is the matter? You look worried. My son is unwell and needs to have an operation. I would be grateful if you could grant me a 10-day leave of absence. See how politely he asks. That shouldn't be a problem. Mr. Das can take care of your projects while you are away. Thank you very much, sir. You are welcome, Ravi. Don't worry, your son is going to be fine. Need not worry about it. You see, in that way, the dialogue should be written and dialogue should be delivered. So, such things you have to take care of. And the next one, expressing gratitude, saying thanks. Thank you is one of the musical and magical word in English language. Thank you. And it spreads smiles on the faces. Thank you. You see that one, thank you, thanks, such a beautiful magical word in this world. And here a simple, again one example is given. Sumodh is waiting at the bus stop. Ramurthy, going the same way, stops his bike. This is the situation. And they are neighbors, they are very near, or they friends. Ramurthy, hey Sumodh, waiting for the bus? Here one thing are you waiting for the bus? You need not be grammatical, you should be dramatic. So you see, waiting for the bus, you need not have full sentence. Are you waiting for the bus? No. This is informal way of saying waiting for the bus. Ramurthy, yes, it is getting late to college. Don't worry, I am going the same way. Can I drop you? He has to say yes. Getting on the bike, thanks. And getting down, thank you, see you, bye. And it's okay, see you, bye. And here this is the informal dialogue between this Sumodh and Ramurthy. This is only again an example. You have to be very thoughtful and you must have some common sense in using, and but dialogues are emotional. That is why you have to take care of. If you want to have the motion and promotion in the human relationships, dialogues must be like that. And here expressions for thanking. Formal, it is very kind of you. It is very nice of you. And I am grateful to you. See the word grateful, spelling is different. So, this is formal. Informal may thanks, that is all. Thank you, thanks. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. But these things only should be used in the informal situations. And now, complimenting, and congratulating. You have to comprehend them well, the situation. Complimenting and congratulating. So, here formal way, may I say how? Very formal. If I may say so, please accept my compliments. Whereas in the informal situation. That's very smart. It was very smart. Then what a nice and smart guy you are. You are a wonderful piece of God. You are so beautiful in that way. And oh, it is a beautiful one. Oh, you look what? So pretty, so handsome. Like that, these are all the how to start your dialogue in that way. And now, congratulating. Congratulating, how it can be now the dialogue is between son and mom, mother and son, mother son. So, mother, how was your day at school, Vivek? It was wonderful, mom. Mommy, it was wonderful. I have been made the president of the English club. That's great. Congratulations. Thank you, mom. So, informal way. And here, some are the things here. Formal and informal. Informal way, congratulations. In an official way, in a serious way, in a dignified way. Congratulations, we are proud of you. You have done a wonderful thing. So, congratulations, we are proud of you. I must congratulate. Formal, may we congratulate you? It's a formal way. It's not a question to be answered. And we would like to congratulate. I would, so this one. And under informal, congrats. You see, not congress, it is congrats. We have just minimizing that word. Well done, I knew you would do it. I am proud of you. And you can't say in that way. Here, we are happy for you. So, these are all certain samples of informal in greeting and in complimenting and in congratulating. I would like to congratulate you on your performance at the sports meet. I would like to congratulate you for your success at the sports meet. Why I have given these two? Here people make mistakes. Do not use the expression congratulations for. That is why these two examples are given. Congratulate you on your performance. Congratulate you for your success, not congratulations. This is incorrectly used. So, you have to be very careful. And some of the expressions that can be used to express sympathy are below. Formal way, I am very much upset to hear that about the news, bad news. I sympathize with you. My sympathies are with you. So, whenever you are talking in a formal way, then informal, how sad, and that's a pity. Informal. And in this way, we have seen different types of what? Dialogues. So, you have to keep it in your mind and you have to use properly, and first you should understand who is speaking whom, who are the persons. So, in that way you can make your dialogues very nicely and beautifully presented and spoken. So, with this I conclude. Thank you very much.